are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
I don't hold on. Come on, come on.
Hold on, please. We're approaching the station for all B gates. Exit here for all B gates. Please watch your step.
B. Bravo gates.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates. We're approaching the station for all A gates.
Feels so good to be back in Broncos country.
Exit here for all A gates. Please watch your step. The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to terminals, ground transportation, and baggage claim.
This is a long train.
Welcome to Denver. This is Pablo Mastroni, head coach of your Colorado Rapids. Since both Major League Soccer and Denver International Airport are celebrating our 20th anniversaries this year, I can't think of a better way to kick off the summer than with the MLS All-Star Game coming to Colorado in late July. Hope to see you there.
Hold on, please. We're approaching terminals, ground transportation, and baggage claim. This is the terminal. All passengers, please exit and follow signs to ground transportation and baggage claim. Please watch your step.